Ever wondered why your stomach growls? It's not just a sign that you're hungry. This sound, known as borborygmi, happens when your digestive system is at work. When you eat, your stomach and intestines churn food, mixing it with digestive juices. This process creates gas and movement, which can lead to those rumbling sounds. Even when you're not eating, your stomach can still growl. It's part of a natural rhythm called the migrating motor complex, which helps clear out any leftover food and bacteria. So whether you're waiting for lunch or just finished a big meal, remember that those growls are your body's way of communicating. It's a normal part of digestion, reminding you that your body is always busy, even when you're not.